Meaning of graph.
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 Graph. Graph refers to a visual representation of data that displays the relationship between two or more variables. It is often used to illustrate trends, patterns, and comparisons by plotting data points on a coordinate plane. Graphs can take many forms, including line graphs, bar graphs, pie charts, and scatter plots. In essence, a graph helps us to better understand complex data by showing how different variables interact and change over time. By presenting information in a clear and concise manner, graphs enable us to make more informed decisions and communicate ideas effectively with others. Therefore, understanding graphs and how to interpret them is an important skill for anyone who works with data.